So the platform which I'm testing today, you can actually earn at least up to 50,000 naira in a week, at least in the words of the person who actually tested it, and the person who actually dropped the video about this platform, which you're seeing right now. So you see in his video, he said you can actually earn up to 147,000 naira. But after I finished testing this stuff, or I've not done testing it, but for the main time which I've tested it, I see at least you can earn up to 50,000 naira. So I'm going to be sharing this website with you, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do on this website and how easy it is for you to perform actually some particular tasks. So after you've seen that, then you will also decide if you would like to test it or if you wouldn't like to test it. But of course, it's always good to test something and see if it probably works or not. So my name is Akere. If you're new to this channel, of course, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you right now just to show you. I believe you can see my screen, and the website is CeekQuest. I don't know how to pronounce that. CEEK Quest, whatever. CeekQuest, and it's just, I think it's in Nigerian something. And actually, if you scroll on this website, if you scroll on this website, when you scroll down, you will see how it actually look like. Of course, good interface. And when you come here, you see the testimony of the ones which are actually working on the website right now. You can see Ashakeman Peace, country Nigeria, jobs completed 5 jobs, country Nigeria, jobs completed 5 jobs. The jobs that are on this website, they are actually easy. They are just micro jobs. They are not tedious tasks. Yeah, like this one, watch video and comment. This is a YouTube video, and then I'm going to pay you 15 naira for that. And then this is post request on your Instagram, and then they're going to pay you 150 for that. Facebook, post request on Facebook, CeekQuest on Facebook, 100 naira. On your status, 50 naira. So those are the kind of tax which they have. We'll get into those tax in a jiffy, but let's just scroll down. You see find jobs, and you can also post jobs if you're like someone like a YouTuber and which you want to promote your channel, you want subscribers. You can actually post it on this place, and then you are going to be paying people to actually subscribe to your channel, to watch your video. Yes, to watch your video. And yes, so that is everything you can do on this website. So registering on this website is actually quite easy. It's very easy to register on this website, but they have a fee for you to register on this website, which is 2,000 naira. That's the Nigerian currency. So if you are not watching outside, if you are watching outside Nigeria, then you need to see how much that is in your currency. But you need 2,000 naira to actually register on this website. Well, maybe based on the tax in which they are giving you on how easy it is to make money, or just for them to see if it's actually genuine, this is why they are putting a fee on it. Of course, I've done this. I've actually registered. I've paid it 2,000 naira. Okay, because I'm not in Nigeria, I get someone in Nigeria to actually register for me and then pay this 2K for me from the bank account, because I don't have a Nigeria account, and then I start testing it. So this is how it actually look like. You can see select category, and you see the type of jobs that are available. But let's just jump into the jobs. When we go into the jobs, then you will see CeekQuest all jobs, and then you see all the jobs category which are actually available. For example, if I take this job with watch video and comment, which is 15 naira, I've actually done one before. I'm going to be doing another one. So you need to just click on apply, and when you click on apply, you will see this stuff: watch, like, and comment on YouTube video, and then they put the link which you need to copy and open on a new tab. And then please, your comments shouldn't be short comments like nice. Okay, you need to type a very good comment, which is actually good, okay, for YouTube algorithm. If someone is commenting on your YouTube video and they are giving like short comment like, okay, this is okay, maybe this, but when they give an elaborate comment, YouTube algorithm actually picks it up to say, okay, this is it, actually a relevant video, and then we can push it. So this is it. They said job ID. This is the ID. You can see how much they are paying. They are paying 15 naira for this job. June 22 to 2024. That's when the job was published. This job vacancy, they still have 200 people to perform this task. Available vacancy, they have 190. That means 10 people have already actually performed this task. This website actually looks new. I just saw it also, and it's really good so far. So what you need to do actually is you need to just open this particular link in a new tab. As you can see, I'm doing it. You just need to copy it. When you copy it, go to a new tab on your phone or your tablet or whatever, and then just paste it, and then click on enter, and then it's going to take you to this YouTube platform where the link is. You are going to watch the ad as usual. After watching the ad as usual, then all you need to do, skip the ad, and then you need to watch it. As you can see, you need to watch it. This person actually promoting the platform also. You see how much he has earned. I'm going to show you that in a jiffy. You see, you need to watch it, you need to like it. I've already done this tax already, so I can't do it again because I've done it already. You can see I have a comment here which this person actually replied, and you saw that people commented. So after doing that, you need to make a screenshot. After making a screenshot of this page showing your like and showing your comment, you just have to come back here and then you submit. You see, I've already done this, that you already submitted job proof and the money has actually been approved. This was the one I actually checked and it has already been approved. I'm going to show you that 15 Naira has actually been paid to my account, actually, to my wallet, actually. So this is then you put the screenshot and you just type job done, and then they will check your screenshot, they will check everything, and that is all. So that is one job. If you want other jobs, come back to jobs, and then there are other ones, like this post CeekQuest on your Instagram. This one is 150. You just have to click on apply. When you click on apply, all you have to do is create a video review how to earn. This is what you need to do. Use the hashtag make money online, make money from home. Post your link in the comment section. Post your link in the comment section. In the post section, post the link to your video. So this is it, and then here is where you submit your screenshot and everything, and then 150 is going to pay to your account. So these are the tasks, and these are the tasks you are going to be performing, tasks like this, and then you'll be getting all this money. But the good thing about this website is where you can actually make up to 50,000 from this website is through their affiliate marketing. So they actually pay, according to the video I saw, they say they actually pay 1,000 Naira for everyone which you invite. So if you invite one person, they pay you 1,000 Naira. So of course, if you invite 50 person in 1 week, you get 50,000 Naira, even without performing any task. This is why I said you can actually earn up to 150. This person said you can earn 147,000. I don't know if you're going to get 147 people to actually subscribe. I don't know that, but I think 50 is actually possible. If you just share your links to your friends, contact on your status, and then they can actually perform. They are going to pay 2,000 Naira to subscribe into this platform, and then you also get 1,000 Naira as it is. So when you come here, and then when you click on your dashboard, come to your dashboard, you will see I told you I already performed the task, and this is a task which I've performed, and 15 Naira was actually given to me. You see 15 Naira, 15 Naira transaction 1, and you see I completed 1 job, and this is my referral link here, which I'm going to put in the description for you to also join the platform. Of course, if you join the platform, I also get money for the referral. You can also share your referral after registry, and you also get money. That's the way it was. So you see, then when you come under my affiliation, you will see this was the guy who actually referred me. After watching his channel, I went on that description and I click on the link on his description, and then I was able to actually join using his referral, and then that is it. So you can actually do the same thing. So this is this website, and these are the kind of jobs which you can do on this website. I hope you actually can do this. They are so simple tasks, like very easy tasks, very easy. Of course, it's not only full of tasks. You don't have so much tasks here, but they actually update it almost every day for you to get in with that. And like I said, the best way for you to earn money on this website is going to be referring people to actually join the site, which you actually get 1,000 Naira for. I'm going to put in the link in the description, so for you to join. Of course, I'm going to get paid for that also. So I'm going to put in the link in the description so you can join and let's earn money together. Yeah, so this is everything I want to bring to you today. My name is Akere Oluwa. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. This is a wrap for this particular video. If you want to see more of my video, check on the channel. You see more video. Until I catch you in the next one. Bye for now and stay cool.